Want to save your favorite jeans instead of throwing them away? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to patch a hole in your jeans with a strong, clean finish. This method is easy to follow, even for beginners. Let's get started. Choose a thread color that matches the jeans as closely as possible. This will help the top stitches blend naturally into the fabric. Let's start sewing. Watch this part carefully. I'll show it in slow motion so you can see all the details. Use the closest matching color thread for both the top thread and the bobbin thread. First, stitch the damaged parts as close together as possible to hold them securely in place. Quick question. Have a sewing or alteration job you'd like me to cover? Leave a comment, and I may feature it in my next tutorial. Use this first stitch only to hold the damaged parts together. Once the hole is secured, move to the next step. Here, use a piece of denim fabric that matches the jeans as closely as possible. Pro tip: choose a thinner, softer denim for the patch. Avoid thick or heavy denim, especially for the crotch area. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more sewing tutorials. Cut the denim patch slightly larger than the damaged area or hole. If you have an overlock machine, overlock all 4 edges of the patch. If you don't have an overlock, that's okay too. For this repair, you will also need double-sided fusible interfacing. It helps hold the patch securely in place and gives you a cleaner, neater finish. If you don't have it, you can still patch the jeans, but the result may not be as clean. Cut the interfacing slightly smaller than the denim patch. Then use steam to fuse it directly to the patch. Place the patch exactly over the damaged area, with the interfacing side facing down against the jeans. Then press and steam it with the iron to fuse the patch securely in place. Once the patch is securely in place, move back to the sewing machine. Mark the edges of the patch with chalk so you can see exactly where the patch ends. This will guide you when stitching from the top. I'll show this part in slow motion so you can clearly see how I place the stitches. Once the stitching is finished, move back to the ironing table. As you can see, the repair is finished with a clean and neat result. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step sewing and alteration tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.